Hey everyone, welcome to TechStack Hub. What if you could add your own button inside Chrome that changes your pages with one click? In this video, we'll build a Chrome extension from scratch to and install it. No prior experience needed. You can see this extension is built by me. Today I am going to show you how to build the extension like this. Today we will create a Chrome extension using manifest v3, background color and added a wallpaper, added a search bar, added some new bookmarks and this time bar. So let's start this. We will make this and we will install it in our Chrome extension with developer mode. What will you need? You You only need Google Chrome and code editor like VS Code. That's it. Let's open our VS Code first. Open your VS Code window and we will be use open your VS Code and go to your VS and create a folder page wallpaper. I called a folder page wallpaper and I opened it on our VS Code. Now we will need some files to create. At first, we need a manifest.json file. We will write something on this manifest file. I have already write something for my projects. You can see name is Chrome theme from fun new tab. Author, let's find this sheet and I trying to keep it funny and we will be use index.html file and use icon for the image folder and 128.png. Now we need to create a index file index.html. We will put our design layout here. I am copying my designs from my another projects or somewhere else. Whatever you have, you just copy and paste your HTML layout on that folder, and at this point you need CSS. Okay, we have used CSS on that folder, so let's make a folder CSS and we will be added style CSS on that folder. It will create CSS folder and create our style CSS file. I am copying my CSS code to this folder and almost it's going done. Now we need something. We need a JS file. Now let's create a JS folder and edit our JavaScript on this file, and we also need jQuery on this project. You can see. So I am copying my jQuery file to this jQuery JS folder, and we need an image folder to keep our image. I'll call it image, and now I will put my image files on that. You can see I have three files. One is 128.png. This will use as our icon, which favicon we will use, and another one is bg.jpg. It is our Chrome background, and this is jQuery, and this is logo png. This will be our logo, and we need one more thing. Let's show you something on our project. This section, this is using for creating our this is using to creating our bookmark, and this section is search section, and this is our clock time, and I am using only time now. I don't use any date. I have commented, and we will use this container for our bookmarks, showing our bookmarks. You can see my is now empty, and I will install my extension now. Go to click on three dot icon and go to extensions and click on manage extension. Then if your developer mode is not enabled, you need to be developer mode enabled, then you can upload your own Chrome extension. You can make it two-way, load unpacked, pack extension and update. These three are using for three-way load, and we will use unpacked because our project is in an folder. So we will use to it unpack extension when we need to make it compress or need to publish it on Chrome store, or we will use update for when we will added something extra features, and we will click on update, then it will be update. Okay, let's go to our folder and select the extension and select this folder. Oh, I am sorry to say I have forget to create a folder called locals. We need this because we need to be specify user to which language they wants to use. Let's open this, and I will create a folder called locals, then I will create another folder called ENG, and then I will write a message.json file, and we will be write some message on this language. So let's copy and paste on this JSON. We have added this something from our existing theme. We have take it, and let's go to our browser and click on retry, and you can see this it's installed in our browser. Let's open new tab to view is it working. You can see we need to be click on keep it. You can see this is working perfectly, and we can add a bookmark here. Added any website bookmark manually. Let's add it. This is name YouTube, and this is the URL. Click on launch orbit, then you will see our bookmark had added, and you can also remove this from by clicking on this. Ideas to extend this: save your favorite color using chrome.storage, added a context menu, or apply styles to specific sites only. You can also replace the injected functions as with a full context script for advanced logic. You will get this repository link in the description box. You can check it out, customize it, use your own, or you can contribute it. Installed a Chrome extension. You just build and installed a Chrome extension. If this helpful, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ask your question what you want to view in the next one. Leave your feature ideas in the comments. I will turn the best one into the next video. Subscribe for more informative tips. I will see you in the next one.